Okay, here she is. Second time. I didn't have the recorder on. Obviously, this is your DC connector. Your AC connector. I don't see a DC connector. It says that you're supposed to be able to charge this thing with a DC and USB cable, but I don't see one in here. So let's keep digging around. Okay, I don't see a DC connector. It clearly says on the box it has DC connection. It has an AC connection, which I showed you already. Here's your AC connector. But I don't see a DC connector. Let's keep looking. I don't think there's one, which is not a good thing. I might just take this home and leave it at the house then, because I'm not taking it back. This is supposed to be a DC rechargeable system, but I don't see a DC connector. The Groove On, this is the Groove On. I love it. It's awesome, but it's a lot heavier than I thought, and that's just way too heavy for me to lug around in my truck. But let's see if we can make this work. If we can make this work, then obviously I'm going to be lugging it around in my truck. Okay, here she is. This is, we can move it with the handle at the top. We got wheels on the side, from the back. Sorry about that, can't really see. Oh, I guess I could turn them around and show you about, oops, sorry about that. Oh, the wheels, oh, yeah, you can see the wheels there, huh? There's one of the wheels there. Bring it up close. Yeah, this was supposed to be, that's the other wheel. And then here's the handle. You get a pretty good view. Oh, let me turn that around. Here's the handle. So you just wipe out all your electronic wiring by slamming it in here. Actually, no, not really. There is a little wiggle room there. Very nice box. I just remembered I do have an AC charging system here. We'll have to check it out. Alright, it says to charge it first, but we're just going to plug it in and see if I can get it to charge. Alright, be right back. Again, this is AC, not DC, unfortunately. Sorry about that. There's my light. As you can see there, it says it's charged, fully charged. So we can play it with or without the electricity charger. So, yeah, I do have a system charging it. There it is right there. I have to get a new one because the DC-AC plug went out. Alright, let's see what this bad boy can do. Again, the sad part is it does not come with a mic. So that's no good. That's really disappointing. But I do have a mic for output, not for input. Okay, here's the on-off switch.
Power on.
Okay, you heard that.
Bluetooth pairing.
It's pairing with the Bluetooth. My Bluetooth. Alrighty. Look, I don't know what the... Ooh, wow, look at that. Is that not sweet? Let me turn this light off. Whoa, nice. I am going to keep this boom box on. I'm going to turn the lights off because I don't want to be using all those lights on. Okay, we got some kind of FM type thing going on. Oh, sound. Okay. Okay, so we got it paired. Wow, did you see that? Oh, I love this thing. This thing is, I got battery power, so I got AC power. So I have no need to, I'm gonna get a newer one, more powerful one than this, because I'm not exactly sure. But we got, that's enough with the lights. I'm gonna turn them off. There we go. We're on, but Not exactly sure what we got on here. Okay. Party lights. Ooh. In the background. Ooh, nice. Nice party lights. Unbelievable. Party lights button there. Turn it off. Okay. I don't even know what the heck is.
Searching for connection.
Some kind of connection search. Okay.
Searching for connection.
Huh. I accidentally turned you guys off in the middle of whatever it was.
Searching for connection.
So we're looking for some kind of connection, but I don't know what it is. I don't know what it could be. Alright, let me see what else I can do with this. Let me do some more reading.
Searching for connection. Power off.
Hot.
Power on.
You hear those speakers?
Bluetooth pairing.
That's why I bought this thing. Every time you turn it off, it has to, it breaks the connection between the Bluetooth, and then so it has to pair. All right, so I'm fully charged, and this speaker, for as small as it looks, weighs a ton. Be prepared for the weight. And also, I'm going to keep it because I can plug it in to my AC, and I've just got to do the math on how much power it needs to run. Basically, I was just going to use it as a, there was a smaller one for 165, and I forget the name of the brand who puts it out. It wasn't JBL. The problem with that is I didn't like the sound of the tweeters, but I love the sound of the woofer and the tweeter on this one. That's why I bought this big heavy thing. And because it's big and heavy, the sound is awesome, and I don't mind lugging it around. Obviously I'm going to get scratched up. Okay, I gotta take a little minute or two to find the radio station, and then we'll take a listen and see what's going on. Be right back. Okay, this is where I was. We'll lower it down. Uh-oh, not supposed to have that music on. Oh no, we're gonna get dinged when I do this review. Sorry about that, people. Hopefully maybe I'll cut it out, but at least you heard the music and the sound of the woofers and the tweeters. And this is why I bought this Groove On brand, because it sounded better than the, believe it or not, it sounded better than the JBLs and everything else they had at Walmart. And this was just a cheapy one, and that's all I wanted. I wanted something cheapy and light, but this is anything but cheapy made. This is well made. I've got to give this you know, 5 stars and an A++++. It's just, it performed just like it did at the showroom at Walmart. But I want to do one more thing. I want to do one more test so that you can see it. There it is. It's about this big. This thing is about this big, you know. But I'm pulling back so you can see it. There you go. And I didn't buy this for the lights. I didn't buy this for the lights at all. I bought this because of the fact that the tweeter, so I can use it to record my voice while I'm singing. But it came with so much options for the price. So $136.95 or $136.99 plus taxes, and you get all the little lights and everything else. So you get a lot of added bonus with this thing, but it does not come with a mic. So I've got to go out and get a mic with a standard, it's got the big mic input connector. So you do got to have that. Alrighty, hope you enjoyed my review of the Groove On, and I'm going to keep it. As heavy as it is and as big as it is, it's a bit much for my truck, but whoa, you know, let's get these lights off. But the reason I bought this was because of the woofer and the tweeters. Let's see if I can get the lights back on. Yeah, see, there's the tweeters. Tweeter on the left, tweeter on the right, and the woofers. The woofers are small. I mean, they're not 12-inch or woofers or tweeters, obviously. So, but they put out an awesome sound. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing and review of the Groove On. I love it. And here's the box. My battery's dying on my light, so I gotta charge it up. This is the Groove On box, so it's the Groove On. I don't know if it says that on the top though. Yep, my battery just died. Yep. And I didn't put on the party lights in the back either, so there are the party lights. All right, I gotta charge up my battery, my rechargeable battery by, we're not getting paid to sponsor them. Or the Groove On. This is not being paid to do a Groove On, you know, sponsorship or anything of that nature. I'm just doing it an unboxing. Enjoy!